Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, June the 28th, 2024. Next Friday will be the first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test. And I've told you earlier, not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So we have only these three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, so two puzzles are left: the Killer Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. News of today: well, who will win the debate? Trump versus Biden. Yes, will be in the evening, in the night. Alright, second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Let me zoom this in. This will be number 8807. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, I cannot believe this, 27 printed digits. Let me check for the second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 27. Cannot believe this. Because usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 27. Should be a 1-star. A 1-star puzzle has 27 printed digits. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or 1-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have 2 and the 3 in this row, so no 2 and the 3 in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 and 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, 179. And look, we have 1 and a 7 in this column, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. Then let me see. 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot it down. In a 3. Need an 8. 2, 2. Well. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. Together with, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 3. We have 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, and 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the column between, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in that row, so no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Alright, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have a 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes at there. Alright. Now, 4 may. Oh, no. We need a 4 here. No. 2, 5, we have here. How about a 9? Need a 9 here. Okay. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in the column next on last column. The only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then. Let me see. 2, 3, 7. Let me think. How about the 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row? So in the first row, only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. Only place level 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 1, okay. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Well, we have a pair here in the second row. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Need a 1 is missing. 2, need a 3. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 4 we have here, the 5, the 6 we have here, 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. Well. I cannot fill this yet. 1, 3, 7. Well, here can be a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so the 7 should be here or there. 1 could be here, and a 3 could be here. What are the other? I'm missing the 9 here. Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left here. But we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, third row. So this can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 1. That box should be a 3. Alright. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. Need a 3 here. Alright. Need a 8 here. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about in the 6 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square cube, we have 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row, first row for the number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes. And damn. 8. Nope. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 8 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 1 and the 7. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2. The 3 is missing here. 1 box left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, I cannot believe this. It's indicated with 4 stars. It's not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. It should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. Publisher, wrong indication. This one is easier than the previous one. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it, solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.